where smiles used to live. Frozen moments from a life I can't forgive. Time's a cruel magician, taking tricks too far. Leaves me haunted, chasing whispers of a star. Mirrors show the faces I'd rather not believe. Reflections of the past that cut me deep and leave. Silent screams and distant dreams, forever out of reach. I'm a traveler, lost a soul with words to preach. Daylight marks the window, but darkness never fades. Nightmares blend with daydreams in an endless maze. Every step a riddle, every breath a game. In the solitude of silence I call your name.